We live in an age of technology in which machines touch every part of our lives. Let's first learn how sounds are produced on conventional musical instruments.
Wheeler.